Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna use one of these to make this. So this is a variation of Banitsa, but it's gonna be a little bit on the sweet side because we're gonna use pumpkin, walnuts, sugar, and cinnamon. All right, so this is what we need for Tikvenik.
Захар,
Sugar,
масло,
butter,
олио, яйце,
oil, eggs,
ванилина захар,
powdered
ванилия,
sugar,
каняла,
cinnamon, pumpkin,
тиква, куриза
Banitsa
баница,
dough,
хартия
baking
за
paper,
печене, орехи.
and walnuts. We also have a little bit of pecans here. We're gonna mix them with the walnuts, but tikvenik is traditionally made with walnuts. What is the first step of the process? The first step is to shred the pumpkin. First, we need to cut the pumpkin into pieces, and then we have to peel it.
Да. Че сега сама?
Now then the pumpkin is cut into pieces, we are starting to peel the hard skin. Now what is the next step? The next step is shredding the pumpkin. All right, so the pumpkin is shredded and now we're ready to go to the next step. Добре, сега какво What is the next step now?
Сега слагаме
Now we have to
приложи се
put
захар.
3 soup spoons of sugar,
Искаме да е по-сладко,
and if you want to
слагаме
make it
повече.
sweeter, you can
Не
add some
искаме
more.
да е много
Да,
сладко.
3 soup spoons
Така.
of sugar are
Ванилия.
enough. Now it's time to put the vanilla extract. Next,
Канела на
we
прах.
put in the cinnamon. Now we're putting in the egg. Така, слагай. And now we have to add the walnuts. So this is the filling for the tikvenik, and we just have to mix it real nice. And now it's ready. And now we have to put some baking sheets so the tikvenik doesn't stick to the pan. Now it's time to start building the tikvenik. This is done by using 2 sheets of banitsa dough, and we're gonna put some oil between the sheets, and we're going to roll the filling inside.
Две.
Добре.
Така.
Според мен ще стане на дета. I think it's gonna come out great.
Имаш ли чувство?
100%.
Добре. Ето.
So now we're starting to make the tikvenik like a spiral starting from the center. It's going to come out just perfect. Стане. Давай. Now we just have to repeat the process and make another roll of tikvenik. And just like that, we're building the spiral. And when we put this one in the pan, now we're gonna make the next one and continue the process of putting it in the pan as a spiral. Ето, няма проблем. What if we use the same principle and fill it up with ground meat and shredded cheese? The Turkish cuisine has that, so they make it filled with meat and other stuff like that. Ideal. All right, so now we're ready to go to the next step. If we had more sheets and more filling, we could have made the this baking pan fuller, but this is from one package of Banitsa dough sheets. So this is what we got. Now we have to put the butter on top. All right, we put the butter on the Tikvenik, and now we're ready for the next step. We have to sprinkle some water on it. And now the Tikvenik is ready to go in the oven. All right, I'm putting the Tikvenik in the oven. So my oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, or that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna put the Tikvenik inside for half an hour, and in 30 minutes we're gonna check and see if it needs more time. And that's how it's done. All right, so it's been exactly 30 minutes, and I need one of these, and the Banitsa looks perfectly crispy and golden brown, so I'm just gonna pull it out the oven. It seems to be done. You see that beautiful crispy golden brown, and it smells amazing. The final step is to finish the Tikvenik with some powdered sugar. All right, trying the Tikvenik. Listen to that perfect crunch. Oh my God, so delicious. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna go eat the rest of the Tikvenik. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.